Welcome to MENA MedTech Insights. The Middle East and North Africa region represents a massive opportunity for medtech growth, but it also presents a complex web of regulatory challenges. Many companies make a critical mistake. They see a promising market and immediately allocate a budget for registration, only to find themselves facing unexpected costs and significant delays. The key to success is demanding absolute regulatory clarity before committing your financial resources. This means understanding the complete landscape, from the governing authority to the minute details of submission mechanics. Let's look at a real-world example in Saudi Arabia. The Saudi Food and Drug Authority, or SFDA, is the gatekeeper. A company with a European CE mark might budget for a simple filing process. However, they fail to account for the mandatory appointment of a licensed Saudi Authorized Representative, a process that has its own timeline and costs. They also might not be prepared for the specific technical documentation requirements of the online GHAD submission platform. Suddenly, their simple project is delayed by months and is thousands of dollars over budget, all because the initial mechanics were not fully understood. The situation is similar in the United Arab Emirates. The authority here is the Ministry of Health and Prevention, known as MOHAP. A crucial prerequisite for device registration in the UAE is that the manufacturer and the local marketing authorization holder must already be registered and licensed with MOHAP. This is a step that must be completed before the device application can even begin. If this isn't factored into the initial plan, the entire market entry strategy is halted before it starts. Confirming your device's exact classification under MOHAP's rules is also critical, as this dictates the entire regulatory pathway, required documentation, and associated fees. Successful companies treat market entry as a two-phase project. Phase 1 is investigation. This involves creating a consolidated market page or a regulatory intelligence report. This document must clearly outline the authority, the classification system, all local representation requirements, and a step-by-step guide to the submission process. Only with this complete picture can you build a realistic budget and timeline for Phase 2, which is the execution. Insisting on this clarity upfront transforms your market entry from a gamble into a predictable, strategic investment. For expert guidance on navigating these complexities and ensuring your entry into the MENA market is a success, you can email or visit Chen-Global.